Welcome all. In this video, we are going to discuss difference between the ARM instruction set and pure RISC instruction set. Even though ARM processor is a RISC processor, it is not pure RISC processor. The ARM instruction set differs from the pure RISC definition in several ways. That makes ARM instruction set suitable for the embedded applications. Variable cycle execution for certain instructions. We have seen that one of the important aspects of RISC design philosophy is each instruction is of fixed size and execute in a single cycle. But in ARM, not every instruction execute in a single cycle. For example, load store multiple instructions vary in number of execution cycle depending upon the number of registers being transferred. The transfer can occur on a sequential memory addresses, which increases the performance since sequential memory accesses are often faster than the random memory accesses. Code density is also improved since multiple register transfers are common operation at the start and end of the function. Inline barrel shifter leading to more complex instructions. Again, one of the important aspect of RISC design philosophy is all the instructions are simple in nature. The inline barrel shifter is a hardware component that preprocesses one of the input registers before it is used by an instruction. This expands the capability of many instructions to improve the core performance and code density. Thumb 16-bit instruction set. ARM enhanced the processor core by adding second 16-bit instruction set, which is called as a thumb instruction set, that permits the ARM core to execute either 16-bit or 32-bit instructions. The 16-bit thumb instructions improve the code density by about 30% over the 32-bit fixed length instructions. Conditional execution. An instruction is executed only when a specific condition has been satisfied. This feature improves the performance and code density by reducing the branching instructions. Enhanced instructions. The enhanced digital signal processor instructions were added to the standard ARM instruction set to support the fast 16 by 16-bit multiplier operations. These instructions allows a faster performing ARM processor in some cases to replace the traditional combinations of processor plus DSP. These additional features have made the ARM processor one of the most commonly used 32-bit embedded processor core. Many of the top semiconductor companies around the world produce the products based on the ARM processor. So this is it about the instruction set of ARM and pure RISC processors. Thank you for watching the video.